Hi Zoosheets, I'm Kitty from Zooshii and I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoon spanner. So first up what we do is we draw a rectangle. And then on the ends of the rectangle we draw a circle and then another circle there. Let's bring that in slightly. And then we draw a smaller circle, just intersecting that one and kind of just meeting that rectangle there. And again on that side. And then what we do is we draw a little line down where those two circles meet. And then we just bring it down and around just like that. And then again on this side. Just bring it down and then we just copy, not copy exactly, but mimic that curve there and take it round and then bring a line down there and then take a line across like that, first one, across there and then bring a line down where the rectangle and circle meet. And then again where these two circles meet we bring another line down. Fix that here and then curve that line around like that, and then again where the two circles meet there just bring a line down and around like that. So next what we do is we just grab our black pens and go back in and ink in the pencil lines. Then we just go back in and double up the thickness of the main lines of the illustration just to make it look even more cartoony. Then we just wait for the ink to dry. Then we just go back in and rub out the pencil lines. So there you have it, a cartoon spanner. Happy drawing!